these ones I love just on their own, just like that. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make these flowers. We're going to start off with this printable collection. It's called Paper Cone Ornaments. It comes with cones, which I am going to do in a different video, but today I want to show you how to make these flowers using these printables. So what you're going to do is you're going to print this. I'm using 32-pound bright white, and I've printed it out, and then on the back I've printed the paper that came with this collection, because you are going to see a little bit of the back as we start to curl these. So you're going to cut them all out and get them ready. Now you'll see that each one of these makes one flower. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix and match. We're going to use this printable today, and I'm going to mix and match for a little bit of variety. So I've got these petals here, and I'm actually going to use, you'll see that they're all different sizes. I'm going to use 4 of the larger size and then 3 of the medium, and I might do a smaller one, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to use my distressed ink, and I'm going to hit the edges. This will make sure that there's no white showing when you cut it out, and it adds a little bit of dimension, and I like the vintage look. So what we want to do is we want to curl these. If you look at this one, we want to curl them inward. You can take a pencil, and because I want to curl it inside, I'm just going to turn this over and curl it with my pencil, just like that. Now we're going to put it together. I am going to use my hot glue gun. I'm going to take my bottom petal, so you're taking the larger petals to start, and then what I do is you're going to twist them a little bit, just like that. As you add all your petals, you're going to adjust them so they're not all flat like that. Even add some fabric in between if you wanted to add a little bit of extra texture. Just see how it's starting to form a flower. The smaller petals at the top. Pull that down, and then I'm just going to push everything just to kind of give it some definition. Like that. So now we have a flower. Let's grab, need some leaves. There's 2 sizes. Ink that up. Put a little dab of hot glue. And stick that under there. And if you're enjoying these videos, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you want to know more paper crafting, then definitely subscribe. Or this is a piece of jewelry that I got from a thrift store. I'm going to cut this off. Here we have a paper flower. Isn't that pretty? You can add glitter to them if you wanted. This one here, I added some glitter to it. This one, I added a little bit of black iridescent glitter. But these ones, I love just on their own, just like that.